Welcome everybody. We're here in downtown Austin, Texas. We are on version FSD beta 11.3.4, and I have a real estate shoot coming up. I'm heading to my real estate shoot. It's not too far away, so we're hoping that we can get us there, zero interventions, and I think it can. I have been driving on it all day today, and it's driven me 2 rides now, 2 complete trips, 0 interventions, so we're hoping that it can do the same thing here. Oh. That wasn't bad. It was okay. I was just a little confused at that construction, I think. All right, went all the way over. That was a weird lane change there, double lane. It needed to do it, so that was perfect. That was a nice 0 intervention drive. I'm gonna cut this now, keep it quick and short, and I'm gonna have all day. It's gonna be a nice day, so I'm gonna keep making these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll keep putting them out. So we'll see you on the next one. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Well, my first house, and we're heading to the second house now to shoot. Oh. Look what we got behind us. The old, say trolley? The trolley cruise. The old, my arch enemy.
Oh no, we're friends.
You want to go for a real autonomous ride? All right, have a good day. Thank you. Don't. All right. Here we go. We're gonna go down this alleyway here. All right, here we go. Right in front of the Waymo person. Here we go. We got an alleyway we're going down. Right. First, I didn't even think this was the way, but yeah, it's definitely the way. It's handling this just fine. It almost looked like it saw that thing in the road right here, but then realized, nah, it's fine, it can drive over it. It looked like it was about to go around a piece of debris, but then it realized, no, it's just paper or something, and it can drive right over it. That's pretty crazy if that's what it was actually doing. Okay, so you can see traffic lights here, blue. They got the red lights. There's our path, nice. Oh, cutting it over. Still good though. Nice and smooth. construction cones to the right. It's tracking all these red lights, although this red light's a very strange one because there's a red light right above me, which maybe is for people coming over the hill. Oh, we got lots of construction here. Oh, that is awesome. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go. It's a little tripped out, but it's making it. I'm gonna let it go. No accelerator. It's hesitating, but it's still creeping. All right. Person behind me honked at me. They're fine. They're just, you know, impatient driver. The other guy, I think he saw me. I'm not sure, but he was fine. He didn't care. But actually, I should be able to go. It looks like that guy's got construction. He's not moving, or he's dealing with someone over there. So he's not moving, or he's dealing with someone over there. So perfect. All right, nice. Whoa, that was awesome. Whoa. It knew that car was stopped with the lights on top of it. Because that car was in a lane. That car could have been going, and it wasn't. It was stopped, and Tesla knew. Wow. Man. Okay. It's gonna wait. We got two big trucks, because this is Texas. Coast is clear. Nice. Nice. All right, and we got a right turn, and we are here. 2 back-to-back zero interventions. We're gonna keep this rolling today, because I feel like I could go zero intervention all day. And we are here. Take me to the rye bread bar. Some stuff going on here. It's being very cautious in the area, but not too bad. It's doing fine. It is slowing down a little bit right there, but heck, I slow down right there sometimes. All right, car pulling out. Ooh, yeah. It was a little harsh for that, but it was okay. I saw it track it, so it thought it could be coming over. Little weird blue area there. Looks like the dot just ends right here. So, oh, nope, we're pulling in. Oh God, oh, it's gonna miss it. I think that had more to do with the dot though. All right, here we go. We made it. I would have to say that was a zero intervention day right there, or zero intervention trip.